Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying backups so you can restore deleted iMessages safely. First, open Settings and confirm iCloud Messages is toggled on. This determines whether messages sync to iCloud. Then check your latest iPhone backup timestamp in General iPhone Storage or in Finder on a Mac. You need a backup from before the messages were deleted. If you see a valid backup, make sure your Apple ID is the same across devices. Once confirmed, you're ready to proceed with a restore or extraction. Now decide how to retrieve the messages, a full restore or targeted extraction. If you choose iCloud Restore, go to Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone, erase, and restore from iCloud backup made before deletion. This replaces current data, so backup first. For local backups, connect to a Mac/PC and restore via Finder or iTunes similarly. Alternatively, use a reputable message extractor tool to read backups or device storage. This method can recover specific conversations, finish by verifying recovered content and handling problems quickly. Once the restore or extraction completes, open Messages and use the search bar for contact names or keywords to confirm the deleted texts are back. If you don't see them, check other devices signed into the same Apple ID. Sometimes iCloud Sync resyncs content to another device. If recovery fails, update iOS, retry with a different backup point, or try a different extractor tool. Remember, if you restore, any data added after the backup is overwritten, so proceed carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.